Rising. Secret Rising. You got bad head? You got bad head? Oh my God, girl. Oh my God. Watch this already. Comment below. We just not watching it for the first time. But if you already seen it, comment below and let me know what you thought about it and your emotions. Bonjour. Yeah, we watched that. Gods and Goddesses. We watched that Black Panther movie last night, and I understand that everybody was sad that Chad died. So am I. Transitioned. He transitioned. But that movie was not all that good, okay? Let me just be honest. Would I watch it again? No. But I get it. We was all just sad that he transitioned, but that was not a really good movie. It was okay, but it wasn't like the best. I hope everybody is having a great day. So far, mine just started. But I ain't gonna even hold you. That's what they say. I ain't gonna even hold you. I am sleepy, okay? I have been working so diligently on redoing all of my things, like stuff on YouTube, to make it look better. Because when I first started the channel, I didn't even think I was going to still be on here until now, because 2020 was like just me trying to go raw vegan. So I decided to document it. And then we started doing apartment vlogs, and then that did real good. And then I had death in the family, shied away from it because I started working at a different place and I felt uncomfortable vlogging because of where I work, the employment. And not because of the employment, but yeah, kind of, sort of, the kind of work that I do. I shied away from it, so, but now I'm back, so now it's time to make it look more aesthetically pleasing, I guess, since that's like the rave these days. And I don't even know if the rave is a saying anymore. But anyway, I'm tired. Okay, tomorrow's my parents' anniversary. They've been married for like 32 years. I gotta get them something because I'll be gone. Not tomorrow, but I'll be gone soon. I have 2.5 days of work. So let's just hope today is swift, but safe. Let me shed some light and enlightenment on you today. There's so much happening in the world that we often think that, everybody's cruel, nothing nice happens, people don't care about people. That's so not true. I live in a neighborhood where these people are so kind. Now, there might be some people who beef with some people, but I ain't got nothing to do with that. Our neighbor that used to live right next to us was super nice. They have since moved, but our neighbor that lives by us now, they're nice too. But today, we got a knock at the door this evening, and our neighbor brought us this. He made this homemade. He's from Italy, and he made this. Now I can't eat this because it has ricotta cheese, and he says it had sausages in it too, which you can see right there. But how kind is that? Despite the fact that I can't eat it, my husband can. He's not plant-based. He's not vegan. He's not whatever title you want to put on it. He eats meat. He eats cheese. So, but how kind is it? Just the small gestures. But I've met so many caring people along this journey of life that it's taught me a lot of things. Like, I meet so many people who care genuinely for me or my family. And I know there's a lot out there who can't stand us, and that's okay. We love you anyway. But there are so many kind people in the world. So please stay positive. Bonjour. This lighting is so bad. you know, but I'm not one of those people who care about lighting. Like I said, I'm not a regular YouTuber. I don't get paid for this. I do this out of the kindness of my business. Cause you know, whatever. But anyway, so I'm out here ironing my pants, and I was just thinking, you know, since everything could be used as content, I just wanted to be clear that when I iron my pants, like my stuff on steam mode. I want to see the steam come out the iron. You know, I was raised, we was raised on the steam now. I don't know who turns the steam off when they iron their clothes. Hint, hint. But I do not. I like steam. I like that stuff to hit my hand. Not so much burn me, but please, steam on my clothes. I know that I'm ironing. I feel like I'm doing something. I'm accomplishing something there. Yeah, I'm doing something now. Today is my parents' anniversary. They've been married for, I think, 32 years or something. I don't know. When my parents see this, please don't be mad, okay? I just forgot. You guys have been together for a long time, and I'm very excited to say that. It's also my mother-in-law's leg surgery. Hopefully she don't get mad that I said that either, but I mean, it's memory. So you can look back at this years from now and say, you know what? I can't remember the day I had that surgery. Oh yeah, my nickname is remade that video. Let me go see when that was, because I just can't remember. See, I'm vlogging it, so you can remember me and the day you had the surgery or the day your anniversary was, even though you've been had the same anniversary for 32 years. But still, that's besides the point. All right, so that's gonna juice this pineapple. I did not. Now it's looking very much like mildew. It's looking very much like nasty. Can you see that? It's looking very nasty. So it's going in the trash because she done does that. Trash. Bye-bye. This fruit be sitting in the grocery store for so long. Like, that pineapple actually probably been in the grocery store since I was like 5 years old. I don't know, you know? And so, because this stuff rot way too fast. I know that in other countries, for real, when we go on this next trip, I'm going to show you. Now, this stuff come off the trees. Them people don't, that stuff, I ain't going to say it lasts forever, but it definitely does not rot that fast. I had that pineapple not too long now because I knew that I was leaving, so I didn't buy a lot of stuff. But I bought that because I love pineapple. I love pineapple juice. I don't necessarily want to eat it, but I want the juice. But anyway, so yeah, it hadn't even been in that long and you looking like that. What's going on? Hey, look outside. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. It's like, so beautiful. I should be at the beach. I'm about to make my juice. It's the morning before we leave to go on our trip. And I prepared that kale on the last vlog, and I never juiced it because this week has been go. So I'm about to juice it. Today's juice mix is sponsored by apples and kale. This juice is sponsored and brought to you by God, Universe, Source, Allah, and the melon and cucumber. Definitely going green today, okay? It is not even March 17th, but we're going green, okay? So, and this one is the cucumber honeydew. This one is kale and apple. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Okay, that's not so beautiful, but this is amazing. Whoa, we had light, right, Mama? We had light, right, Mama? Hi, beautiful girl. Grand Rising, beautiful girl. You don't want to get up yet? You don't want to get up yet? Grand Rising. Tonight we lay over in Orlando because we have to take our flight in the morning, tomorrow morning pretty early. I am so excited, but I don't want to get too excited just in case you know, I'm not gonna speak it into existence, but you know, I'm super excited. I absolutely love traveling. Another fun fact about me, I've been to a lot of places in life in general, but traveling is essential in our family. We love traveling. So I'm like, every time I'm anxious and I'm very excited. My goodness. We've loaded up our lunch and our snack, I guess. Look at my board, it broke. It's actual marble and it broke. Oh well, at least I'm using it, whatever.